This is Agent Leland Turbo. I have a flash transmission for Agent Finn McMissile. Finn, my cover's been compromised. Everything's gone pear-shaped. You won't believe what I found out here. This is bigger than anything we've ever seen, and no one even knows it exists. Finn, I need backup, but don't call the cavalry, it could blow the operation. And be careful, it's not safe out here. Transmitting my grids now. Good luck.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nickelodeon's Blaze and the Monster Machines
Ma! Uncle Max! We're gonna watch the movie!
Oh, no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Gorge.
Watch it! Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
The Timon.
To make Blaze's tires
I still
bouncy,
don't do
we
so
need
well
the
in
right...
crowd.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Pennsylvania Police Department. There have been many reports of a creepy broadcast going on air on all broadcasts including Blaze and the Monster Machines. The broadcast has a creepy red melted face, saying that he will watch over them when they sleep and when they wake they won't move any part of them. All residents must turn off all television to avoid the creepy broadcast. These effects will include paranoia, anxiety, hallucinations of the creepy red melted face, and paralysis. Please stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
Hey guys, I'm scared to watch Blaze and the Monster Machines because of the creepy broadcast was aired on all of the platforms. You know.
Hey 4449 gamer?
What is it, Mal?
If the end broadcast is aired, will it affect my iPad? I am not scared.
Hey, it's alright, Mal. It doesn't affect the iPads or iPhones. It's okay, Mal. What? Judy Hopps? Oh wait, you saw it on YouTube? Man, that's cool. But for now, we must be careful about the red melted face. Anyone wanna name it?
What, Nick, are you serious? That's it. Why you little come back here? Wait for me, stop, Nick. I don't want to be here anymore, Nick.
No, not the sun's enemy. What about you, Judy?
It's called a hustle, sweetheart.
Ah yes, the boiled one is a perfect name.